Alright, we're at Sugar Creek Baptist Church in Sugar Land, Texas, with the 1979 vintage US elevator with the circle buttons. Finally, I'd be able to ride this. Let's ride, here we go. Look at this vintage beauty. When the US wants to close, the US wants to close. Alright, we'll get a cab view with this beauty. Unfortunately, there's no indicator in here. This is a nice elevator. Inspection certificate. This is maintained by Montgomery Kone. There's your COP. Seems like someone took a cigarette on the 3 button. Here's your ADA compliant phone. Alright, let's listen to the motor. Here we go. Love that motor. It's gone 1. Torqueless button works. I love that. Takes a sweet time to level, but it levels nicely at the top. Let's get one last view of these fixtures and we'll take it for one more ride on this beauty. Wonder what this does. Wonder what those spare buttons are for. These are like the ones at the Elmwood Garage. Let's go look at an intermediate station. Right now I'll show you. I'll press 3 as well. So look at this. This right here is your intermediate station right here, see? This is your intermediate station, just like the ones at the Elmwood Garage in Roanoke. There's no floor indicator in here. Love that leveling. It levels nicely. This is by far one of my favorite old vintage elevators here in town. I love these fixtures. Stops with a bump. Alright, we'll get off here now. I'm gonna try to ring the bell. But it does not make that chime sound or anything. Oh, with that said, there it goes. And that is going to be it.